Hi, this is Nancy with On Point TV. We had a couple of questions from viewers when I showed the borders. So it was a segment where we were talking about borders, and I showed this quilt. And on this quilt with the piano key border, I talked about the cheater mitered border, which is this section right here. So I've got the piano keys coming in, and this section is a cheater mitered border. At some point later down the road, I'm going to show you how to do a true mitered border, but this is how you do a cheater. When working with a piano key, you're usually taking your strips and just piecing them all together one after another, so then you have a long line of piano keys. To do the cheater, whatever size your border is, so this is an 8-inch border, I took and I cut 8-inch squares of the border fabric. Then I drew a line right down the middle. I did be careful to match up my seams on this, and it'll make sense why when I open it up. So I drew the line down the middle and I sewed directly on that line. Then when you open this up, oh, I'm sorry, you would want to cut this off. And I would press this seam open to eliminate some of the bulk. So I'm just going to finger press it right now. And when you bring it around to the other side, you can see that beautiful, perfect miter. And I only have to do it with one little square. I don't have to do it even while it's on the quilt. Then it's assembled on the quilt like a cornerstone is. So now, if you imagine this, here's my piano key coming down and my piano key coming this way. You can see how that is a cheater mitered border. I love this kind of technique. I learned it a long, long time ago. Actually, I think it was Eleanor Burns was the first person that I saw that did this, and I thought that was genius. That lady was a genius, is a genius. So check out these tips. I hope you enjoy watching the show. Subscribe to our channel. Please tell all your friends about us. Share us often. If you have any questions, contact me at nancy@onpoint-tv.com.